Bolsho.
No
You have to
drogas.
talk.
No drogas. Nothing. What is? You.
broke it.
You.
You broke.
You.
You broke.
No.
Another pad. Right? She's going over to this in the mirror. She comes over here, and that's what we see it in the mirror. Looks like she's trying to take it off right there.
Yeah. Although I can't smell it, I thought it would have to do something. Doesn't do anything.
There it went.
I'll stay back. Want that voice?
Why don't you stop distracting him?
Is that refreshing?
The video showed the saloon preparing to close for the night while the customer interacted with a dancer inside the establishment. During the interaction, the dancer embraced the man and made an initial attempt to remove a chain from his neck. After the first attempt was unsuccessful, the dancer approached him again and removed the chain during a second interaction. Moments later, the dancer attempted to kiss the man, who turned away. The encounter concluded with the dancer waving goodbye as the man appeared to confront her one final time before leaving the establishment. The officer.
At first glance, the surveillance footage appears straightforward. The woman reaches toward the customer's neck more than once, and during the second interaction, the chain is removed or damaged. But video evidence can be powerful precisely because it feels complete, even when it is not. The camera may show physical movements, but it cannot automatically explain intent. Was the chain deliberately taken? Was it accidentally broken during physical contact? Did the woman keep it, drop it, or return any part of it? And without clear audio, investigators cannot know what was said between them before or after the incident. That does not make the footage meaningless. It may provide strong evidence that contact occurred, but criminal responsibility usually depends on more than a suspicious-looking moment. Investigators still need the complainant's statement, the value and condition of the chain, witness accounts, and evidence showing what the woman intended to do. The footage may begin the case, but it should not be treated as the entire case.
Continued the investigation with the assistance of the saloon manager, who directed officers to the woman's residence to make contact with the woman and discuss the incident captured on video.
Hey, you home? Are you home? Yeah, you casa? Come to the door, please. Come to the door, please. Door. Officer Horton, US Police Department, sir. Hey. Yes, it's this, you got your chain popped, right? Can you text me over the value of your chain as well? Yeah, how much you paid for it and how much it would be to get it fixed. All right. Thank you. All right, thank you. Should have had more time to get it by now. Answer the phone, but...
The officer was unable to make contact with the woman, and the investigation temporarily came to a standstill. Later on, the saloon manager met with the woman and contacted the officer to their location.
Hello.
No hay nada.
Step over and see him.
No, no hay nada.
You need to see
No hay
him.
nada.
Hello.
You need to see him.
Hello, how are you?
I'm well. So right now, what I'm gonna
Sí,
do
mi
is
amor.
I'm gonna
Okay.
place you under arrest
Yes,
for
okay.
criminal mischief.
The officer immediately tells the woman she is under arrest for criminal mischief. That detail deserves closer attention because the conduct described earlier could potentially raise several different legal theories. If investigators believe the woman intentionally took the chain, the case might be viewed as theft. If force was used to remove property directly from someone's body, more serious allegations could potentially be considered. But if the main claim was that she intentionally broke or damaged the chain, criminal mischief may have been the charge officers believed they could support at that moment. This does not necessarily mean the final charge would remain the same. Initial arrest charges are often based on the information available at the scene and can later be amended, reduced, or dismissed by prosecutors. Still, there is an unanswered question. Before placing her in handcuffs, did the officer attempt to obtain her account of what happened? An arrest may be legally justified by probable cause, but hearing both sides can reveal misunderstandings, identify additional evidence, or expose contradictions that a silent security camera cannot resolve.
So what I'm gonna have you do is
Yes,
you can
okay.
put your backpack
Yes,
down.
okay. Yes, okay. Pero no, nothing.
You have to
No.
talk to them.
Yes, okay. O sea, no.
All right,
Nothing.
you can take your phone out.
Yes. Yes.
Put
Okay.
your phone down.
Put it in your,
Okay. No, 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 no.
No.
put it in your backpack. Put it in your backpack.
Okay. Eh?
Yes.
No. Bullshit.
You have to go talk to them.
No
You have to
drogas.
talk.
No drogas. Nothing. What is
Both of them.
you?
You broke it.
You?
You.
You?
You broke it.
You?
You broke it.
No. No.
That's what he says.
No, no draw, nothing. You, me house, my house. You, me.
No.
I video you in me home. Me. I can cameras. Okay, I can.
Come on. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I will.
No,
I will.
No.
He will get it. It will
No. Yes. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Gracias.
Can you turn on my camera, my in-car camera?
Yeah.
You're under arrest
Yes.
for criminal mischief.
I can, I can, my abogado, my boyfriend, I can,
You can call him once you make
Okay.
it to the jail. Here, I got it.
I can, my
You
boyfriend.
can call him once you get to the jail. Here,
Yes.
let me. I gotta
Okay.
search you first.
Yes,
No,
I
no,
need,
no, stop. I gotta search you
I'm
first.
sorry. No, you, my telephone.
Right, you'll get your telephone, man. Hey, turn on the front camera as well.
Okay, please.
Okay.
No.
Ma'am.
My boyfriend.
Okay. Place your stomach
Sí,
on
okay.
that. Do you have anything on you that's gonna
Okay.
poke me, stick me, scratch me?
I need only, please. I need my boyfriend, please. She man, my me. She hombre, she.
What do you have in your ma'am?
Yo, no.
Ma'am.
He my
Okay.
had you. Él me cogió.
Okay.
He man me. He man me.
Okay.
Okay? He man
Okay.
me.
Okay.
Okay, I need only.
Come on,
o sea,
phone on the
my
floor. I got
mama.
one female
Only,
in
please,
custody.
my,
No.
no. I only, you me.
Get in the car.
You,
Get in the car now.
you me.
Get in the
En mi
car.
house, cámaras. En mi casa tengo cámaras. No, necesito hablar con, my telephone.
Ma'am.
No.
You're gonna get your telephone.
No,
Yes.
I need my telephone now.
No.
Yes.
No.
You let me. No. My telephone.
Okay.
No.
Ma'am, move
No.
your foot. Ma'am.
My telephone.
Ma'am.
My telephone. No. My telephone. My telephone.
Hey, Anderson, did you turn on the front camera? Did you turn on both? Good. Yeah, he definitely told me he wanted to press charges.
He didn't answer.
No.
That's fine. I don't, at this point, you know, you want to report.
He said he told me he told me who it was, and he told me he wanted to document. He wanted to press charges.
Okay. Well, then be good.
Once the woman is in custody, the focus shifts from the alleged chain incident to her personal property. Officers begin searching her belongings, counting large amounts of cash, examining pills, and discussing what should be placed into evidence or transferred with her to the jail. This procedure may seem routine, but it has an important legal purpose. Officers must document a detainee's property to prevent items from disappearing, to protect themselves against later accusations, and to separate ordinary possessions from possible contraband or evidence. However, professionalism matters just as much as accurate paperwork. Jokes about where the money may have been, comments about being in the wrong profession, and speculation about drugs can create the appearance of bias even when the inventory itself is legitimate. That distinction is critical. Possessing cash does not prove that the money came from a crime. Unidentified pills are not automatically illegal drugs. Every item must be evaluated independently, documented accurately, and connected to an offense through actual evidence. In criminal investigations, careless comments may not determine guilt, but they can seriously damage public confidence in the process.
You want to help me out, bro? Well, count all this.
You telling me you got one in custody?
Yeah.
Try not to think about where this money's been.
Right. Yeah, working with you is so awesome. You're so funny.
You been through any of this?
Yeah, but you can search it one more time.
I mean, you've already searched all that.
Yeah.
You already did.
Yeah. Here are Los Angeles. No exits, not Los Angeles. 22 right here. 420s. F5. What the fuck is this?
Something inside the bag.
It looked like she has some drugs on her or something. Just looked like some marijuana.
The money from the strip club got some drugs in it?
One. Alright. That's $100 right there. 520s, 310s, 620s.
93.
This is 100, 120. This is 30, and this is 210s. I mean 10.
150. 160.
Like, we're in the wrong profession, bro. We're in the wrong profession.
Yeah, that doesn't even look like a good night. It's on Friday night.
Is that it?
All cash and silver. Did you go through this one? Oh, there's some foreign money in the
This is gonna go, you know, like I wouldn't worry about that because that's gonna go into property in jail. Like that's not gonna go into. Oh, take the 5.
I gotta find out what kind of pills those are.
That's over the counter shit.
Right.
Crap like that. Tylenol. Probably some kind of Dayquil or something. $4.58.
468.
That's what she said. Now she speaks English.
Needs to be.
Okay.
You got white stuff?
Yeah. Did I put that in the evidence bag?
Money?
Yeah.
Or just
put it
in purse.
Yeah, just put it in the purse. They'll count it at the jail.
So 465.